So here are 5 things to add to your room to make your room more minimalistic and pretty. So you need a wallpaper, and when I mean a wallpaper, I don't mean a pretty wallpaper like either a flower theme wallpaper or stripes wallpaper, either a black and white stripe wallpaper or a green and white stripe wallpaper. And you also need a modular bed frame. Like a modular bed frame is a kind of bed frame that the headboard is flexible. Like you can change the headboard. Maybe if you buy like maybe 5 different styles of headboard, you could change it and change the size too. And you can also have a bed frame with no headboard too, if you want, or even a wooden bed frame that is very flat, you get, and still with no headboard, like it's 2024. But if you still want a headboard, it's not bad, go ahead. And you can, if you can't afford it, you can also buy a kind of wood. You can do it yourself or go see a carpenter. You can buy wood, like 6 pieces of wood, or if you need more, you can go ahead and add it. You place it in a way that it can carry your bed, but like it will not pass your bed. You understand? It's not pass your foam bed, I mean. You understand? Just place your bed on it and put like 6 pieces. Like, is it 6? Oh, I made a mistake. Like 12. Either 12. I think 12 will be enough. Or 18. Just check the size. Either your bed is 4x6 or 6x6. Just check your bed size and place some moods. Then it's, even if it's not, but you have to make your room aesthetic. You place carpet under the wood and put LED lights under the bed, so to feel as if it's floating, or even if it doesn't feel like floating, your room will still look pretty, you get. And you also need a bin. When I mean bin, I don't mean a plastic bin, like a mesh bin like this. Don't mind the dirtiness. These are the sweets I just had that I just threw in it though. Can you see? But it's pretty though. It's pretty though. And you also need a mini let's say light, or a mini statue, a cute mini statue that emits light like stars or waves, something like this. I don't know if you can see this. Can you? Yeah, something like this. It emits light, but I don't know if, okay, it can't on like that, so I do use it while plugging it, you understand. And instead of having a TV, go for a projector, a 4K projector. Even if you're a student, you could save and afford a projector, like a mini projector. Like there's those ones that like I don't know, like forgot the thing you used to look out in other space, or there's a mini one like this. It's affordable. So follow for more tips for home interior design, and DM me if you want to purchase anything I talk about in this video. I have it, so just DM me to purchase any of them.